Now, let's take a look at nonfiction. A nonfiction book tells you facts and information about the world around you. It can cover almost any topic. It's about something that really happened or something that really exists. Let's take a look at some of the examples of nonfiction books. How do we call this kind of books? They are cookbooks. How about these? They're not stories. They're books about some famous people who might have died. They are biographies. Biographies. I'm sure you have read a lot of this kind of books, but do you know what they are called? They are reference books. Some of you like to read books about animals, nature, and space. We call this kind of books informational texts. Now, let's talk about nonfiction text features. Text features are the things found in nonfiction materials that help make sense of what you're reading. These text features can also help you decide which pieces of information are the most helpful to you. Titles can be easily found at the top of the front cover. They tell you what the book is called. Some books have subtitles. The subtitle gives you more information about the title. The beginning of a nonfiction book often has a table of contents. The table of contents tells you on what page each chapter or section begins. Nonfiction materials use lots of tools to share information. Charts, graphs, and tables organize data and statistics to make it easier to read. Photographs and illustrations often have captions underneath them. Captions give more information about the picture. A diagram is a simple drawing that shows the parts of something or how it works. Diagrams have labels that tell you what each part is called. Some nonfiction materials have maps. A map shows where something is located. A timeline shows the order of when things happened. Timelines are often used with historical events. Nonfiction materials often use bold and italics letter to draw attention to important words. Sometimes the bold and italic words can be found in the glossary at the end of the book. The glossary is like a mini dictionary that gives definitions of the keywords found in the book. Index is usually on the very last page of the book. It tells you on what pages you can find important information or keywords. Words in the index are listed in alphabetical order. Nonfiction text features are the things found in nonfiction materials that help you make sense of what you read. Let's look at the text features we have learned so far. Starting from number 1. Title, subtitle, table of contents, chart, graph, table, caption, diagram, label, map, timeline, bold, italic, glossary, index. Do you like reading? How often do you read? What is your favorite genre of books? What is your favorite book? These questions are often asked in a secondary school interview. Try to write the answers in your notebook.